Hello guys, so welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add a Google Docs file to your phone home screen. In this case I'm using an Android phone, and here as you can see I've already on the Google Docs apps. And to add a Google Docs file to your home screen, it's actually pretty easy. You can just click on the three dots icon at the bottom of the file. So let's say I want to add this one right here, and then just scroll down and you'll find the options to add the file to your home screen. Here, add to home screen, so just click on this button, and then after that click on add. And when you go back to your home screen, you can find the file that you add to your home screen before. Okay, so that's pretty easy. I hope this tutorial will helpful. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment, like this video, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.